Over half of all houseplants never see their second birthday. We bring these vibrant green companions into our homes, eager to cultivate a little piece of nature, yet so often our efforts end in wilting disappointment. But I assure you, there is no need for this botanical heartbreak. Plants thrive when their needs are met. They communicate their well-being through their leaves, their posture, the very vibrancy of their being. Overwatering, poor light, unnoticed pests. These are but a few of the pitfalls that can befall even the most enthusiastic plant parent. Together we'll uncover the most common plant care mistakes and, more importantly, learn how to correct them, ensuring a thriving, verdant oasis within your very own home. In the wild, plants are masters of their environment, carefully extracting moisture from the soil as needed. But within the confines of a pot, that balance can be easily disrupted. Overwatering is perhaps the most common and often fatal mistake made by plant enthusiasts. When we water too frequently, the soil becomes waterlogged, creating an environment where roots, starved of oxygen, begin to drown. We'll explore techniques to assess your plant's needs, from feeling the soil moisture to observing subtle signs of thirst, ensuring your plant receives just the right amount of hydration. Sunlight is the lifeblood of plants, the engine that drives their very existence. Yet, within our homes, finding the perfect balance of light can be a challenge. Different plants have evolved to thrive in specific light conditions, and ignoring these needs can have dire consequences. Insufficient light will result in stunted growth. Stems may become leggy, stretching towards the nearest light source in a desperate attempt to survive. We'll discuss the nuances of direct versus indirect light, the importance of window orientation, and even the role artificial light can play in creating a thriving indoor garden. Even the most meticulously cared for plant is not immune to the threat of pests. Tiny invaders, often unseen by the naked eye, can quickly take hold, their presence only revealed when the damage becomes impossible to ignore. From sap-sucking aphids to leaf-munching caterpillars, each pest presents a unique threat to your plant's well-being. Left unchecked, an infestation can spread rapidly, weakening the plant and leaving it vulnerable to disease. We'll discuss early detection methods, from recognizing telltale signs of infestation to utilizing natural predators to maintain a healthy balance within your plant's ecosystem. Imagine, if you will, spending your entire life confined to the same small space, your growth restricted by the very walls that surround you. This is the fate that awaits a plant that is never repotted. As a plant grows, its roots fill the container, eventually becoming root-bound. The once nourishing soil is depleted of nutrients, leaving the plant starved and stunted. Repotting, then, is not merely an aesthetic choice, but a vital aspect of plant care. We'll delve into the signs that your plant has outgrown its container, explore the best practices for repotting, and discuss the optimal soil mixtures to ensure your plant thrives in its new home. In nature, pruning is a natural process, influenced by the elements, grazing animals, and the plant's own growth patterns. Indoors, however, it falls to us to guide our plants towards a healthy and aesthetically pleasing form. Pruning is not merely about maintaining appearances. It encourages bushier growth, removes dead or dying branches that can harbor pests and diseases, and redirects the plant's energy towards new growth. With a little practice, you'll become adept at this essential skill, shaping your plants into thriving masterpieces. From the silent drowning of overwatering to the subtle signs of pest infestations, we've journeyed through the common pitfalls that can befall our plant companions. Yet armed with this newfound knowledge, we can approach our plant care with a newfound confidence. By learning to recognize these signs and responding accordingly, we can create an environment where our plants not only survive, but truly thrive. Share your own plant care experiences, your triumphs, and even your challenges in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on cultivating your very own green oasis.